Now take a look at this. This were the trades we took on Sunday night. So the gap down buys on Euro AUD. That's about to hit take profit now. And GBP AUD is the second one. That's it there. So that one is also in profit, but not yet taken. And then we took 3 trades on the day, and we've had one close. You can see that there. Closed yesterday, GBP CAD. Yeah, that one, even if it didn't, it's also nicely done. And we're just waiting for these other two, GBP AUD and Euro AUD. So GBP AUD and Euro AUD. Where is it? That's it. So that will definitely hit. He's only got 63% of the ATR in the day, so he will probably hit take profit. And GBP AUD as well. How much of this has he gone? Only 46% of the day. So let's see. Okay, let's catch up later.